Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to another video on Clickbank for beginners. In this video, we're going to give you some updated results on a method I've been implementing for the past 3 weeks that's generating a consistent $100 a day that any beginner can start off with and begin making money on Clickbank. So if you're brand new, make sure that you, number one, like this video. And if you're not brand new, still like the video because I'm going to give you guys some incredible value within this video. Subscribe to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button and go ahead and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump to the computer screen and show you guys the results number one of the past few weeks. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page. I'm even going to log out so you can see the results right here. This week so far, $744. Last week, $755. The week before, $635. The week before that, $761. And the week before that, $395 when I just started this specific campaign. So now that you've seen that, let's go ahead and let's log out and then let's log back in because I know you guys want to make sure that these results are in fact legitimate. And as you can see here, 100% legit. So how did I actually do this? Well, I follow a simple 3-step process. And this is a process I've been using for the past 7 years that's made a complete transformation in my life, in my business. And it's a simple 3-step process. So step number one, you pick a product and you want to build a funnel. So to pick a product on Clickbank, it's fairly easy. And before you even pick a product, you just want to go to clickbank.com, right? And you want to click that beautiful blue sign up button. Just fill out this information right here, agree to the terms and conditions, and then go ahead and join Clickbank. And then once you log in, it's obviously going to take you to this page as you saw before. And then all you need to do is go to the marketplace to find a product to promote. Now, there's tons of different categories, tons of different products. I would recommend going with a specific category that you are interested in or that you're passionate about learning about, or you already have some knowledge in. Okay, so this is going to be a specific category you're going to create a lot of content within. So a lot of people, they come into the affiliate marketing game and they fail because they try multiple niches. They try way too many categories. They don't stick to one long term. Because when you stick to one long term, you create a name for yourself. You create a brand for yourself. You create trust from other people. They trust you. They trust what you recommend because you're out there in the marketplace giving a lot of value. In other words, you're generating a lot of customers, you're generating a lot of traffic, which is the third step we're going to talk about in just a second. So a few things. Let me just go ahead and click a category, health and fitness here. You can see the name of the product right here. We can click over by clicking on the name to the actual sales video right here. And you can do that with any of the products. You got the sales pages, sales videos. When you click the promote button, it's going to pull up your account nickname, and then all you need to do is click on generate hop links, and it's going to generate a custom affiliate link that you can go out there and share on the internet through YouTube, through Instagram, through TikTok, through forums, wherever you want online. Okay. Then you have the average conversion that you're going to get paid per customer. So on average, you're going to make $152.98 per customer. That might mean that one customer, you make $100, another customer, you make $200, but it averages right around $152.98 per customer. And then you've got some stats right here. I like to pay attention to gravity. Higher the gravity, the better that the product converts. Simply, this really means that 561 affiliates are making one sale every couple weeks, or one affiliate's making 561 sales. Regardless, it means that the product is selling well. So you want to go for gravities. At least like 20 to 30 is a great place to start. Once you get in the hundreds, you're guaranteed to know that the product converts really, really well. So you definitely want to look at gravity. You also want to look at the affiliate page. Now, does the affiliate page have good quality assets, marketing assets that you can use to promote the product? Okay, so you can click on any of these affiliate pages for any of these given products. you want to make sure of a couple things. You want to make sure that they tell you what traffic sources are converting best with the given product. A lot of people ask me, Josh, what is the best traffic source out there on the internet? It depends on what product you're promoting. YouTube might be better for one product versus Facebook ads might be better for another product. The way to figure that out is to go through the affiliate resource page and go through the whole entire section. So in this case, you would fill out like your name, email address, your Clickbank ID, and then submit, and they'd probably send you an email where you can access the back office of the affiliate resources section. Let me show you a really good example of an affiliate resource section. I'm going to just type in reverse diabetes. We're going to go to gravity, sort by gravity. We're going to click on the affiliate page right here. And this is really, really cool because it actually tells you the demographics. Who is diabetes freedom for? 45 to 75 years of age. Men are more likely to have type 2 diabetes, but it converts well for both. Don't market to these countries, market to these countries. Boom, it says Facebook ads converts really, really well. So again, you want to find out what traffic source converts well. Talks about tracking, gives you 90% commissions, and you'll actually make up to 100% commissions if you get so many sales. Lots of different sales pages. This is a good indicator of a quality product. Different media, different sales pages, different angles that you can promote this specific product from. So the more sales pages, the more assets, the better. You've got your email swipes right here, which we're going to talk about in just a second, why that's hugely beneficial for following up with your potential customers. You got keyword lists right here. So this is an indicator this product sells really well with traffic sources like YouTube and blogging. You got different ad headlines for Facebook ads right here, different landing pages again that you can create and send people to. So, I mean, this is just a good example of a good affiliate resource page. So now that you select a product based off of a good gravity, good affiliate resource section, good assets, then what we want to do is we want to go ahead and build out our automation, AKA we want to build out a funnel. And a funnel is very simple. It's a series of web pages that have one specific purpose. For example, this opt-in page is to get people to opt in, enter their email address and their name so you can then send them email swipes, AKA autoresponder emails. And when you have access to an autoresponder, it will automatically, when somebody opts in or they enter their name and email address, press submit, it will automatically begin sending these emails out each and every day. Now that is automation at its best. From the opt-in page, you can then send people straight to the sales page, which is your affiliate link, as I showed you before, and then they go to the order page. So let me show you a really good example of a funnel for this diabetes program that I created before this video. So you can see this is the opt-in page as explained right here. So people are going to opt in, name, email address. We're giving them away a free video, which is essentially just the sales video. So you don't have to create some PDF or some guide or create something out of thin air. Sometimes the affiliate resource section though will offer free lead magnets for you. And a lead magnet, again, PDF, a free video, anything that's going to give people value to indoctrinate them and kind of pre-frame them to buy whatever product or service that you're trying to promote, okay? So after we enter the name and email address, click on yes, send me the free video. They're now on my autoresponder and we've sent them straight to the affiliate sales page, okay? If they go ahead and buy, we get a commission. If they don't buy, that's completely fine because guess what? If I go over here to communications and I go to sequences right here, I've got an autoresponder series because this shows one. You can see this means that they're on my email list now. They're going to start receiving these different emails. Email 1, email 2, email 3. And these are emails that I got straight from the email swipe section right here. And these are all embedded emails with my affiliate link. So my affiliate link is actually sprinkled right here and right here. Okay, so It takes about 7 to 10 exposures before somebody makes a buying decision. So email marketing gives us a chance to send people back to the sales page to entice them to buy. And we can have up to 30 plus emails in our email autoresponder series. So now that we followed this process, all we really had to do in this case was set up an opt-in page. It's really simple, easy to do. If you want a more comprehensive course or program that's going to show you how to create an opt-in page, how to, what to write on the opt-in page, what to use as the headline, what to, how to make it beautiful, how to make it pretty, how to entice people to enter their name and email address, and really how to make it look like what you saw here. Let me just go back. If you want to learn how to build these kinds of things and build the marketing, the automation, these beautiful little pages here, there's a link in the description of this video. It's my flagship program that shows you how to start from scratch and build a high ticket, highly successful affiliate marketing business from absolutely nothing. We cover funnels, we cover autoresponders. You watch me build this all in front of your eyes. And we create the videos, we create everything, and you're able to really see that in depth, see the traffic, the picking of the product, going more in depth with a lot of this stuff. Again, you can click the link below in the description if you want to learn a little bit more about that. So after we've got this situated, we've picked the product, we've built the funnel, we've created the follow-up emails, we've essentially used the software such as Kartra, that's what I'm using to build, all these beautiful pages here. You can use ClickFunnels, you could use Builderall. I just show you what I use. So I'd recommend that you just use what I use to make it easier for you. But after we figure this stuff out, we set this up. Step 3 is to drive traffic. That's where you can refer back to this and you can use this as a guide to set up Facebook ads, set up YouTube ads, set up your blog. And sometimes I'm not going to show you step by step in detail how to do that stuff because there's a lot of nuances to creating traffic, to creating a successful Facebook ad, to creating successful YouTube videos. And again, if you want to learn more about how to generate traffic, again, there's a link in the description that will cover my #1 traffic source in detail, along with building this whole thing out that you're seeing right now. Okay, my #1 traffic source is obviously YouTube. And what I love is I can download this keyword list right here. I can open it up. Go ahead and open it. And a keyword essentially is just a search term that somebody types into YouTube or to Google. So I can take, for example, this home remedies for high sugar. I can jump over to YouTube and type in home remedies for high sugar. And I'm essentially looking at my competition. And I'm looking at the different videos that show up for home remedies for high sugar. This first one, how to reduce blood sugar level within 7 days naturally. What I can do is, as Tony Robbins says, and as I said before, you can just simply model what works. Don't reinvent the wheel. I can actually model this title. When I upload a video, I can actually use a similar title to this title. I can model what's being said in the actual video. This video is only 2 minutes and 31 seconds long. So I can gather a lot of information, even if I'm not an expert. The definition really of an expert is somebody that knows more than the next person. And if you're that person that's looking for a mentor and you learn something from them, you're going to view them as an expert. So I always use the learn, do, teach method. Learn something, implement what you learn. So I can simply just watch a YouTube video, implement what I learned in that video, get results from what's being taught in that video, get some social proof, in other words, and then teach people what I just learned and how I got the results that I got. Learn, do, teach. I always do that inside of my business when I learn something new. I'll learn something from a book and then I'll go practice it, get results with it, and then I'll teach it to people on my YouTube channel. And you could do the same thing. So essentially what you want to be doing is creating these little pieces of virtual real estate, these different videos out there on the internet. And then, for example, at the end of this video, how to reduce blood sugar, I could say, hey, if you would like to learn how to permanently reduce your blood sugar and reverse the diabetes process, go ahead and click the link below and check out my top recommendation for doing that. And then people will click the link in the description, and then this link will simply just go to this page right here, this opt-in, and people will be added to the autoresponder. And then what I would do is just repeat step 3 over and over and over again. Create another video from that keyword list on a different topic, lead people again to the opt-in page. Create another video and another video and another video. This is where you want to make sure you're in a niche you're really passionate about, or you want to learn more about, because you're going to be creating a brand. You're going to be creating a lot of content around that niche. And that, my friend, is how you make money with affiliate marketing and Clickbank as a complete beginner, so you can start generating the results that you're seeing right here. And that's exactly how I'm generating the results that you're seeing right here. So if you got value from this, go ahead and comment. If you have any questions below, subscribe to the channel, because I'm uploading videos on a frequent basis, teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Tick that bell icon. And if you want to check out a complete A to Z program to building an affiliate marketing business, it'll be in the description below. Look forward to seeing you on the inside and in the next video.